Dear students, most welcome to your video. I think everyone is fine and I am fine too. Now let's go to the video. In this video we are learning Go Green. In this chapter we are introduced to two parts. First one, eco-friendly terms and environment days. First one, eco-friendly terms. Be a good friend. True friends will never cheat and will stand by you in any crisis. True friends will never cheat and will stand by you in any crisis. We never want our friends to look bad. We never want our friends to look bad. Let us be friends of the earth. Let us protect our friends. Let us be friends of the earth. Let us protect our friends. How do we become friends with the earth? How do we become friends with the earth? By protecting the earth, how to save the disturbing the balance of the earth. It must be protected from disturbing the balance of the earth. Dear students, we who are supposed to protect the earth are destroying it ourselves. We who are supposed to protect the earth are destroying it ourselves. Dear students, eco-friendly terms, I introduced what is ecological. What is ecological? Relating to or concerned with the relations of living organisms to one another and to their physical surroundings. Relating to or concerned with the relations of living organisms to one another and to their physical surroundings. Dear students, protect from natural disasters, replace the empty ones with another ones and use them. Let us get acquainted with such things. Eco-friendly literally means earth-friendly or not harmful to the environment. In recent years, terms like eco-friendly and go green have become buzzwords on luxurious commercials and product packaging. Dear students, eco-friendly is a term used to describe a product, practice or process that has a small, less damaging or positive effect on the environment and its ecosystems. 10 simple things you can do to help protect the earth. Read the descriptions given below and write the eco-friendly terms. Take help from the given clues. As opposed to traditional petroleum-based ink, this ink is more environment-friendly. It provides more accurate colors and makes it easier to recycle paper. Answer: soy-based ink. Second one, a gas fuel sourced from the decomposition of waste, converting a waste stream and potent greenhouse gases into an energy sources. Answer: biogas. Third one, anything pertaining to the positive interactions between man-made process and the delicate organic balance found in our environment. Answer is eco. It refers to achieving net zero carbon emissions by balancing a measured amount of carbon released with the equivalent amount offset of requested. Answer: carbon neutral. Fifth one, the conversion of plant and animal debris of compost through a chemical breakdown of materials in a specific physiological environment. Answer: compostable. A philosophy of creating eco-friendly products using sustainable technologies that will not deplete our planet of its remaining resources. Answer: green. The nation's leading program that verifies and certifies renewable energy products that reduce emissions contributing to global warming and air pollution. Answer: green E. It is the garbage that individuals routinely discard either in a waste receptacle or a dump, or by littering, incinerating or pouring down the drain. Answer: post-consumer waste. Materials that are generated from resources that are managed in a way that they are, for all practical purposes, sustainable over an extended period of time. The resources are not depleted. Answer is sustainable materials. These have high enough vapor pressures under normal conditions to significantly vaporize and enter atmosphere. Answer: volatile organic compounds. Okay, dear students, every year we celebrate some days are environment days. Every year we celebrate some days environment days. Dear students, World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protections of the environment. Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and actions for the protections of the environment. Please understand one thing. All of us must try to keep the earth clean and healthy. Okay, dear students, this chapter is some tough. I hope you understand this video. Okay, dear students, thank you everyone. And next video, next chapter. Okay, thank you everyone.